The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Nations in exile. We know why this tragedy has struck humanity. The whole werewolf invasion was part of a secret operation by the Nazi Party called Operation Werewolf. Operation Werewolf was a Nazi contingent operation to keep the Third Reich, which then escalated to resurrecting it. The werewolves referred to guerrilla soldiers of the Wehrmacht, which was Nazi Germany's armed forces. They were tasked to take down Allied forces in World War II, but it failed due to Allied-sponsored denazification program. Now it turns out that it succeeded by the werewolf invasion 3 years ago. Now it's time to reclaim the earth for the greater good of humanity. The following message is transmitted at the request of the government of the German Reich. At 11:40 a.m. Standard Time, reports of unidentified flying objects have been reported by the Luftwaffe Air Defense Command. It is unknown if these aircraft are hostile, but all residents of the German Reich are ordered to be vigilant at this time in case these aircraft are hostile. Stay tuned to this station for more updates on this event. The following message is transmitted at the request of the government of the German Reich. At 12 p.m. Standard Time, the United Nations has struck back at the German Reich. They are taking as much land from us. They have taken the Greater German Reich, fascist puppets in direct controlled territories. In addition, it has been reported that party leader and Führer, Hans Ludwig, has been killed by a werewolf resistance member of the Unite Against Fascism. All residents of the Greater German Reich are ordered to spend the last hours of the Greater German Reich by gathering with family and friends. We will conclude by playing the national anthem.